This is the flour produced by a large wheat mill. How to make good flour without additives. Let's go to the 50TD wheat flour machine assembly line workshop to see the process. 1. Pre-cleaning workshop. After the wheat falls into the pit, the primary cleaning screen removes the large and small impurities in the grain. 2. Clean up again. After the initial cleaning, the wheat enters the vibrating screen for fine cleaning to remove large and small impurities and stones. 3. Remove stones. This machine uses the different specific gravity of wheat and impurities to separate the stones. 4. Suction separation. If the suction separator is not set here, the material after threshing contains wheat bran, which will block the screen holes of the wheat washing machine, making it impossible to discharge water. 5. Washing and conditioning wheat. In order to grind good flour, it must be tempered for 8–12 hours. 6. Cleaning of flat rotary screen. Here, further screening is carried out to remove the missed large and small impurities, which is the checkpoint before entering the mill. 7. Material cache. A buffer granary is set up here to deliver the materials to the grinding mill. 8. Grind and moisten the wheat. There are 10 grinding machines here, 4 skin mills, 5 core mills, and a residue mill. The wheat cores, residues, flour, and bran are all produced by the first mill. After being ground by the first mill, the flour enters the high square sieve above. The high square sieve separates the flour and enters the auger below to produce the finished product directly. The bran enters the skin mill directly, and the wheat cores enter the core mill. The residues are coarser than the cores and finer than the bran. The residues go to a separate mill. 9. Packaging. The packaging scale is filled with macaroni flour, and the 2 at the back are good flour and inferior flour. The inferior flour is the flour picked out from the bran. This control cabinet controls the entire flour mill production line and can be operated by one person.